So hey, what's up you guys? Yes, eto na tayo na meron na tayong mic for vlogging, no? It's just that hindi natin makikita yung kasi nanggaling ito sa vlogging kit. Remember yung mga vlogging kit na parang ganito. Wait lang, kukunin ko ha. Ito, remember this kind of vlogging kit? Oo, galing ito dito. I-clip siya dito sa taas, no? Saan na yun? Yan. And then nagiging hook siya dito, no? So ganyan ang mangyayari. Pero again, dahil wala tayong hindi ko na din na-function to kasi wala tayong battery for this one. Tingnan niyo. walang battery for that, no? So eto muna ang gagawin natin, no? So again guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome sa ating and ewan ko kung ano episode na to. Day 37. Ang last kong naalala was day 36, no? So this is day 36. By the way guys, if naririnig nyo ang constant noise, yan po pala ang aking wound vacuum, no? This is the second session. Kumbaga parang second session, which means second week of having a wound vac, no? Para mas madali ang pag-heal ng aking sugat, no? Na inoperahan last January. Kasi hanggang ngayon, it's not healed pa, no? Open pa siya. So, kailangan talagang maklose yun. Now, ayun, I just wanna inform everybody that I'm okay, no? Medyo magulo lang talaga yung buhok ko because tumataas na yan. Tumataas na po ang aking buhok. And, no matter how hard I try na isuklay siya, talagang matataas. Tingnan mo. Dahil sa electric fan kasi yan. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan, no? But, anyway, welcome to our live. And eto naman tayo for, ewan ko kung magagawa ba natin to as a podcast mic. Kasi, podcast mic to pero kaso nga lang, hindi siya advisable kasi lumalakas hindi siya noise cancelling na mic. Oo, lumalakas yung sound ng ng dito, ng tawag na to? Ng wound vacuum. So wala pa din. So anyway guys, ayan. So again, sadya na kayo may nag-vibrate dyan. That's because of my messenger ko yan. Hello. So ayan guys, I am planning to become a full-time vlogger kasi meron tayong full-time vlogger vibes, no? We have 37 days in a row and nakapaglampas na tayo ng June and today actually is, nakalimutan ko kung anong day na, June 2? June 3? June 3 pala. June 3 nga, oo. Kalimutan ko lang kung anong araw na. Hindi na kasi ako nagka-count lately kasi nga, 'di ba? Parang nasa bahay lang ako lagi and hindi na ako nagka-count kung ano, hindi na ako nagka-count. Kung wala akong kalendaryo dito, pasensya, may kalendaryo pala ako dito kaya ako tumitingin. Kasi meron akong kalendaryo, meron akong orasan dito sa taas, meron akong kalendaryo dito and kaya ganun. Pero yun nga, as I've said earlier, it's June 3, no? June 3, I'm shooting this around June 3, pero makikita nyo to July pa, so sorry naman. And ready lang naman for a month in advance para at least hindi siya masyadong, hindi ako magka-cram to make more videos as much as I can, no? So ayan, basically June 3 is marami akong nagawa, no? The first thing that I have is for meditation station. Ang meditation station, by the way guys, is now at 211 videos, which includes all different frequencies. At the same time, mga subliminal messages and soon, no? Meron tayong mga subliminal messages and mga tawag doon? Yung mga binaural beats, no? Very very much soon after the frequencies kasi hindi pa tayo tapos sa sound bath na frequencies, no? Like yung nasa 417 pa kami last. So there's gonna be a lot more coming, no? So again guys, thank you so much for watching. Medyo short lang to because again, I'm just trying the mic itself and at the same time, I'm hoping na maganda at malakas ang aking live. Hindi ko na kayo maririnig but this is good for vlogging lang talaga siya. Hindi siya good for yung tipong live or something like that, no? Kasi mas maganda talaga kapag live is you have your own setup, no? Kumbaga meron kang sound card, meron kang headset, meron kang ganon, you know? So, pero kasi ako lately, my sound card has tatlong sound cards na yan, tatlong V8 sound cards na yan, pero hindi parang it's not okay for me kasi kasi nasisira yung wiring niya and everything, tapos nagkakaroon ng ground, no? Kaya ganon. So, ayun, I really appreciate all your time and effort in joining me sa live na to. Sa video na to, no? And I appreciate your time and effort. By the way, guys, I'm your host, your one and only Boy Shimron Suarez. If you've not noticed, this is day 37. Day 37 is on the wraps. Thank you so much for listening, you guys. I'm gonna be back again maybe tomorrow. I don't know kung ano basta subscribe to our meditation station channel. It will be linked down below, or sa mga previous videos meron ng link doon about meditation station. But then again, so again, the last update that we had for meditation station, my hair is not having it today talaga. Grabe talaga. The last update that we had was 150 videos, no? Ngayon nasa 211 videos na tayo and nasa 80 subscribers na tayo. So please bring us up to 100 subscribers. Alright, I gotta go my own way, ha? Para kanta yun. I gotta go my own way. Anyway, hindi ko sinadyang itono yun kasi para hindi tayo ma-copyright na. Kasi again, I really love, well, I'll detail that in the next one, ano? Bye for now, guys. I love you all. Bye.